Okay,
Yes,
so
sir, I'm okay
yeah,
with that.
yeah, tell me, what are you saying?
Sir, I was telling that it is okay, sir. We can do this each time.
Okay, okay. So this is physics chapter 4, energy. Okay. Now in this chapter, this is your book. I have prepared the video from the other book. That is the book which the other school is following. But the content are absolutely the same. Maybe here and there a little bit of difference, but that we can definitely take care of. Overall, the whole chapter is exactly the same, right? Okay. So you might have studied the concept of work. Can you tell me what is work in physics? What when you can say that work is done?
Yes, sir. Work is done when a force is applied on that particular body, and that particular body changes its state. It changes its state. For example, it changes. Yeah, I mean, for example, when we kick a ball, it means that we have done the work because that ball is moving. And
Yeah.
when we do, yes, so actually it means that um, work is done when a body changes its state, and that is said to be as the energy possessed on the body.
Okay. Okay. I'll correct you a little bit over here. So when you use the word or the terms changes the state, that is not accurate. You should say that work is done on a body when a force applied on the body causes the body to do some displacement. You have to use the word displacement. Okay, whenever force is applied on a body and if the body undergoes some displacement, that means the work will be done on that body. You understand? When force is applied on a body and when that force moves a body, displaces a body from its position, that means the force has done the work on the body. uh, just tell me if I'm doing any work or not. Okay, so I'm sitting on my desk and I'm you know making these kind of videos or doing some paper correction or doing some calculation. Am I doing any work according to physics? Aditya, are you there?
Yes, sir. No, sir, you are not doing any work if you are like making videos
Yeah.
according to physics.
So that is actually mental work. The work which I'm talking about, reading, writing, that's mental work. In physics, we are only concerned with physical work. No matter how much tired we get after some mental work, but in context of physics, we are not doing any work. If we are sitting at one place, we are not changing our position. We are not doing any work. Okay, we are not applying force on any body, the body is not displacing, we are not doing any work. Tell me, Aditya, if I push a wall will not move, right? But if I push a wall, I will get tired, I will use up my energy. Have I done any work?
No, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir. Sir, according to physics, sir, we if, the whenever we apply a force on any particular object, that object should displace. I mean, it should move from its position, and if it doesn't move from its position, uh, it means that we have done no work.
Very good, very good. Okay, can you please give me the formula for work? What is the formula for work?
Um, uh, so and it is CA terms.
Okay, I'll tell you. Remember this. Work is equal to force times displacement. Okay? Remember it. Work is equal to force multiplied by displacement. Force is a vector quantity. It has magnitude as well as direction. Displacement is also a vector quantity. It has magnitude as well as direction. But this work is a scalar quantity. In fact, you do not put a cross over here, you put a dot. Force times displacement. So this is there is a dot over here and it has a specific meaning. You will understand this in class 11th, right? This is the product of vectors, which is known as dot product. Anyways, express work in proper unit. What is the unit of work?
Unit of joule, sir.
Very good. Joule, named after a scientist, and the symbol of joule is capital J. Okay, okay, very good, very good. So you have some basic ideas regarding work. Can you tell me anything about kinetic energy? What is kinetic energy, and when a body is said to be possessing kinetic energy?
Yes, sir. So like we can take an example of a pendulum, sir. So, uh, uh, yes. So when that metal bob is moved from A to B, it means that it is possessed with kinetic energy. But as soon as it reaches B, the kinetic energy converts into potential energy. And when it again goes from B to A, it means that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy.
Yeah, but this is interconversion of energy. I just want to know what is kinetic energy and when does a body possesses it? Just kinetic energy. What do you mean by kinetic
So
energy?
kinetic energy is
Yeah,
possessed. Okay.
yeah.
So kinetic energy, it is possessed in a body when the body is in state of motion.
Very good, very good, very good. So any moving body will possess kinetic energy. It definitely does possess kinetic energy, but the body should be moving in the state of motion. Correct. Uh, does a falling rock, when a rock is falling, does it possess kinetic energy?
Yes, sir, it does.
When a rock is thrown up, does it possess kinetic energy?
Yes, sir, it does.
Because in both the cases the rock is in motion, that's why it will possess kinetic energy. Okay, can you tell me what is the formula for kinetic energy? What is the formula for kinetic energy?
Uh, Sir, kinetic energy 1 by 2 into meter.
No,
Uh,
half
okay,
half
okay,
into m is mass, m is mass,
yes,
into v square. Okay, half is a number, m is mass, which is measured in kilograms. What is v? Can you tell me what is v?
velocity.
Very good. Velocity means speed in a particular direction. It is measured in meters per second. Okay, so this is the formula for kinetic energy. Can you tell me the SI unit of kinetic energy? SI unit?
Sir, joules.
Very good, because see, work and energy both have same SI unit. Work and energy, they both have same SI unit, which is joule. Just a moment. So yeah, I was saying that work and energy, they both are interrelated. So if work is done on a body, energy is stored in the body. If the body possesses energy, that means it is capable of doing work. That's why these both quantities have the same unit, that is joule. So kinetic energy's unit, SI unit, is also joule. Work's SI unit is also joule. Potential energy's SI unit is also joule. ठीक है? Okay, great. What about
Sir,
potential energy?
sir,
Yes, yes,
doubt.
yes.
Sir, actually, I have to doubt, sir. So you, yes, sir. Sir, so actually, you gave an example in the video. So, sir, here is written that if the displacement caused by force is at right angle to direction of applied force, the work done is again zero.
Yes.
So, sir, like I didn't get one thing. That is, sir, like we walk in right angle only, like always. So every time it will be zero.
Yes. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you, while walking, your body is not doing any work. And I'll tell you why. ठीक है. So this is the direction of displacement while walking. Displacement. And on any body, the force due to gravity is always in downward direction. Force due to gravity, that is the weight. Now see the direction or see the angle formed between force due to gravity and displacement. The angle is 90 degree, right? The body is going ahead, a person is walking on a straight road, but the force is acting in downward direction. So here the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. So what do we mean by that? It means while walking, while walking, we do not do any work, we do not do any work against gravity. We do not do any work against gravity. You understand? We do work against friction, because frictional force is in opposite direction to the direction of walking. So this is the force of friction. We are doing some work against the force of friction. So we can continue this statement and we can say that we do work against the force of friction. Okay, we do work against the force of friction while walking. While walking, we do not do any work against gravity, because the force of gravity and the displacement are at right angle to each other. So while walking, we do work against the force of friction. Remember that. ठीक है? Okay. Can you define potential energy? Can you define potential energy?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, so potential energy. Uh, Potential so when a potential energy is possessed on a body, it changes its configuration or shape. So that is known as potential energy. Uh, no, not that. Sorry, sir. That is elastic potential energy. Potential energy happens when a body is at state of rest.
Yes, definitely. Potential energy is stored in a body when body is at a state of rest. But it is not always true. It is not always true. ठीक है? Potential energy is of two types. One is gravitational potential energy and the other is elastic potential energy. When the body is at a certain height, when the body is at a certain height above the ground level, ठीक है, above ground level, it possesses potential energy. Which potential energy? Gravitational potential energy. But when the body is like a spring or like elastic or maybe a rubber band, these kind of bodies, when they are stretched or compressed, you store elastic potential energy into them. Okay, so if you raise a body to a certain level, you store gravitational potential energy. If you stretch, compress, or do something like those activity, twist maybe with a spring or elastic or a rubber band, what you are doing, you are storing elastic potential energy in that. But there are instances, yeah, in both these examples, the bodies can be at rest. So you can say, yeah, that potential energy is possessed by bodies at rest, but not always. I will give you an example. where the body is moving but still possesses potential energy. That means one body possesses potential energy as well as gravitational energy. Flying bird. Flying bird. Just think. A bird is flying at a certain height from the ground level, right? So it has to possess potential energy, but it is also moving in forward direction, so it has some velocity and mass, so definitely it has. That means it possesses potential energy plus kinetic energy. It possesses both the energy at once. Flying bird, flying aeroplane, right? Think about such more examples. Think about examples of bodies possessing only kinetic energy, the bodies possessing only potential energy, and the body possessing both the energies at once. Okay, so this is any freely falling body possesses both the energies at once, but only difference is in freely falling bodies. Freely falling मतलब ऊपर से कोई चीज़ drop किया, so what happens is its kinetic energy goes on increasing and potential energy goes on decreasing, but it possesses both the energies together. Okay, so this is potential energy, energy possessed by a body due to its position above the ground or due to its changed configuration, shape, due to twisting, stretching, or compressing, like spring, elastic, or rubber band. Okay, let's do some maybe some questions based on them. I have some
Sir,
questions.
sir, I
Yes,
had one more doubt, sir.
yes.
Sir, so like if we are in space and like if we are just moving around there, so sir, does it mean that we have done work and there will be no right angle forming because there is no gravity there? So it means that we have done the work, right?
No, and in space, actually, there is gravitational force due to heavenly bodies. So when you are moving, you are not doing any work. The force, the gravitational force of other heavenly bodies are doing work on you. You are drifting actually in any random direction due to the gravitational pull of the nearest heavenly body. ठीक है, so in space generally you do not do any work. Yeah, if you are in a spaceship or a rocket, they definitely do some work because they have engine, and then they when they propel their engine, they actually travel in a direction in which they wish to go. Yeah, but when you are drifting in space, you are not doing any work because you are not doing it consciously, right? You are just drifting.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So there are some objective type questions which we can solve right away, right? And then the study questions I will give you for homework. I'm not doing too much today because anyways we are alone, and there are some easy parts which we can finish today. So I will give you homework from here. Anyways, look here. Fill in the blanks they have asked. Ability to do work is called.
Energy.
Very good. When a force causes displacement in its own dash, work is said to be done. When a force causes displacement, see there are options given over here, out of which energy is used already. When a force
Sir,
causes.
own direction.
Sorry?
In its own direction.
Very good. So means force has to be applied in a given direction, and displacement also has to be produced in the same direction. Then only work is said to be done. An elephant uprooting a small tree does dash.
Force.
Does force.
Uh,
That
Sorry,
does.
work, sir, work. That will be
Yeah.
work. Yes.
Force is not even grammatically correct. Yeah.
Yes.
The work done by a body is the product of dash and displacement.
Um, uh, sir, force and displacement.
Very good.
Sir, and the last one is Joule.
Very good. Joule is the SI unit of work. So there are the people, the students who are absent today, and if you are watching this recorded session, please note down these questions. From I will give you this picture of this exercise in the group. Please note down these questions and solve them like how we are doing it while watching the video. यूट्यूबर हूँ भाई, करना पड़ता है ये सब यूट्यूबर्स को अपनी ऑडियंस को एंगेज रखने के लिए, है कि नहीं? आर यू इंटरेस्टेड प्रणव इन
Yes.
यूट्यूब एंड ऑल?
Yes, sir. I actually wanted to. I actually even opened a gaming one, but then it wasn't so successful. So I closed it.
अरे इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क यार. I'm doing so many videos, but I
Sir,
have
but like sir, like you're teaching and you easily have 600 subscribers, and
600 is
I'm trying to
nothing.
reach.
600 is nothing. People have lakhs of subscribers. I have close to 700 now,
Yes, sir.
but now it is getting. I think I will reach 1,000 very easily now. But it is lot of work. I
Yes, sir.
have
So
close to
after you reach
700
1,000,
videos.
sir, you also get money. Yes.
Sorry.
After you reach 1,000 and the viewing time increases, you also get some money from YouTube, right?
I know. Monetization is there, but for that your viewing number should be very high. But yeah, let's see. I will
Yes,
do it
sir.
soon. Okay, next. SI unit of work or energy is joule. True or false?
True, sir. Sir, true.
Very good. The product of force and displacement caused by it is called pressure. Force into displacement is pressure, they are saying.
Sir, no, sir.
No,
False.
force into displacement is work, so this is
Yes,
false.
false.
Student preparing his lessons for monthly test does hard work.
Sir, false, sir. False.
In terms of physics, it is zero work. How much
Yes.
ever you get tired doing homework doesn't matter to physics. A
Yes.
boy carrying a school bag on his shoulder does no work.
Um,
It is true, na, because
sir,
he's just
that would be
carrying.
false.
No, it is true because he's just carrying, na. He's not moving. He's not climbing or moving. He's just carrying it. So there is no displacement, you see.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
The more
Yes.
force applied on a body to cause displacement, the more is the work done.
Yes, sir, true.
Yes, more force, more work will be done.
Yes, yes. Yes, it will be true, sir.
Okay, statement given below are incorrect. Write the correct statement. Work is done when we hold a pile of books in our hand.
False, sir.
False. What should be the correct statement?
Yes, sir. Work is done when we
Work is not done.
when we
Simple, na? Work
okay,
is
work
not
is
done.
not done.
Yeah, when we hold a pile of books. We should not only hold, we should hold and walk. Work done by a body is the product of pressure and displacement.
Sir, false.
So what should be the
Sir, it will be work done by a body is the product of
force and displacement?
We just did that.
Yeah. Work is done when a force causes displacement at right angles to its own direction. This also we have discussed.
False. Yes, sir. That will be false, sir. Sir, work is done when a
No,
force
work is
causes
not done.
displacement,
Just
not at
simple.
right.
Work is not done. है ना? Work is not done when a force causes displacement at right angles. Okay.
Yes.
A headmaster giving a speech in a school assembly does work.
False.
Does no work.
Yes, does no work.
The SI unit of work is energy. Work or energy is Pascal.
False, sir. It is joules.
Okay, tick the most appropriate answer. The capacity to do work is called acceleration, speed, energy, or pressure.
Energy.
Energy. The work done by a body is the product of force and dash.
My body is product of force and displacement.
The SI unit of work is Newton, Pascal, Joule, Newton meter.
Joule, sir, Joule.
30 joules of work is done when a force F causes a displacement of 5 meter. The magnitude of force is, so this is a numerical. See, I have solved it just
Yes,
next
sir.
to this. See over here.
Yes.
So work is 30 joule.
Sir, is it not that we need to convert this joule into joule Newton meters?
No. Joule is SI unit, so we don't need to convert. Displacement is in meter, that is also SI unit, no need to convert. Force. So work is equal to force into displacement. 30 is equal to F into 5. So F is equal to 30 divided by 5, that is 6 Newton. Right? So the correct answer is 6 Newton.
6 Newton.
When is the work done in following situations? A boy pushing a wall, a girl carrying school bag
Sir,
on her
second.
shoulder, stone falling freely, a boy climbing up the stairs. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 3 and 4.
Sir, 3 and 4.
Very good, very good. 3 and 4 is the correct answer because stone falling freely, there is gravitational force and there is displacement. Boy climbing upstairs, there is gravitational force and there is displacement of boy going upstairs. So there is work done. Very good. Match the following. The term used when force causes a displacement in a body in its own direction.
Sir, joule, no. Sir, work, yes.
Yeah. The ability to do work.
Energy.
The SI unit of work or energy.
Joule, sir.
And displacement
and
cost.
Sir, no work.
Yes, correct. Okay, so you can easily do these study questions without any problem.
Yes, sir. Sir, but I don't have the PDF.
I will give you. I will send the PDF to you. Okay, this much only you have to do. You don't have to do the objective questions.
Okay.
Only this is the question. This is the homework for today. Okay.
Okay.
And tomorrow we'll finish the chapter. We'll do potential energy and kinetic energy tomorrow. Although you have done it, we'll directly do some numericals and we'll start with the exercises. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Maybe tomorrow we can do something else also.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. Then it was a good class today, very
Yes, sir.
short and sweet. So I'll see you tomorrow at 2:30.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir. Have a good day.
Bye.